Next we put one red here, then two magenta on each side, and then we alternate one pink with one white, one pink, one white, until we finish the row. Complete the entire row. Next we put two magenta here, then one pink here and another one there, and the rest of the row we complete with white pieces. Complete the row. Next we put one magenta and two pink, and the rest of the row we complete with white pieces, like this. Finish the row. Now for the chest we put two pink here, then one pink above them, and then we put two white here and then two white above. We repeat on the other side, two white and then another two above. Now we put four white pieces, then three and two, and this is the chest of our swan. Now for the tail we let 14 edges free, and then we put inverted pieces. Inverted piece means that this round part of the piece is inside. We put inverted pieces, we put 10 inverted pieces. Now here we must have again 14 edges free. Very good. Now we put 9 inverted pieces above the 10 from the previous row. Now we put 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Do not forget to glue all the pieces. Now, here from the tail, we let 2 edges free and then we put 3 normal white pieces. We repeat here, 2 edges free and then 3 normal white pieces like this. Now we will glue white and red pieces like this for the handle or the wings, and we glue like this 2 white and 1 red, and then we put 2 whites above and 1 red, and we repeat this until we have 26 red pieces and 27 pairs of white pieces. Complete all these rows. I finish all of this, 26 red pieces and 27 pairs of 2 white, 54 white pieces, and now we glue here in one part and then on the other side, and give a nice round shape. Now I show you how I glue. When I glue this kind of handle or parts together, I use glue who dry very fast. You must be very careful with this one. You must move very quickly. And we put here and push. And then on the other side we put pieces like this, we push, give a nice round shape, and now we will put some glue here like this and wait for a couple of minutes for the glue to dry. Now for the neck we glue pieces like this. We glue pairs, 2 pieces with 1 above, then we put again 2 pieces in these edges like this, and then put another one above, and we repeat this until we have 10 pairs of these 3 pieces. These 2 and the piece above, it is a pair. 10 pieces here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, until we have 10. Let's see. 10 pairs. We have all these 10. We give a round shape. Now we put all these edges in one piece, like this, and then a small piece, orange piece as a piece. Now we draw some eyes on both sides. And our swan is almost finished. Now we glue a piece of cardboard. I have some pink cardboard, but you can use whatever color you want. We put some glue here, and then we glue here. Like this. Wait for a little bit for the glue to dry. Now I will put 3 roses. These are the roses I usually use, are from Kusudama Versailles by Christina Barzik. You will find a tutorial in the description of the video. You will find 2 tutorials, one of mine and one of Tadashi Mori, much better than mine. And we put 2 roses in the first layer like this, and we put another one above like this. These roses are made from 5 squares of paper each, 10 by 10 centimeters squares of paper. And now we will put some glue and we put the neck here. And my model is finished. I hope you enjoy. This is all for today. Have a nice day.